Jehovah Witnesses commenced on August 15, 2019 by scores of volunteers over a 6-month period. The newly built structure serves as a learning environment, handicapped accessible structure, and no collections are passed. 20,000 yards of dirt was removed off the property and 5 retaining walls were built. The church held its open house on Friday, February 21st.
The design was done by one of our members in the Caribbean, and it's very friendly to the Caribbean environment. It's friendly to the sea blast. It's friendly to the humidity. It's very cool. We're in the middle of the afternoon here right now. No air conditioning, and it's quite cool inside. So it's a well ventilated, louvered windows on the sides and convection out the top, insulated roof panels. So it's very well designed, very comfortable place to get to worship.
Prime Minister Alan Chastanet has applauded the Jehovah Witness faith for setting new building standards in St. Lucia. He said that the standards will augur well for schools on the island, given its infrastructure amenities.
I think there are a lot of lessons to be learned here. And funny enough, when I said that, they said, well, with the Jehovah Witness religion, it's about education. So it is set up as an educational facility. I think, look, education has to change in this country. Not only in terms of how we are teaching and what we're teaching, but also the facilities that we have. And I always ask the question, when you get out in the workforce, does everybody around you, are they the same age? They're not, so why is it we're raising our kids to be in one age group and not creating opportunities for kids of different ages to be able to interact?
The building was also built to withstand humidity.
There is going to be, and I hate using that word, but a revolution in government design buildings, not only in terms of mold, but also in terms of staff interaction. I think we need to see the introduction of cafeterias because it allows staff to actually remain on property and spend more time together. And coves, we call them, where people can meet from different departments to be able to have meetings. So I think a very good example, if you've gone to the new Digicel building up north, you'll see a lot of that architecture and interior decorating being applied in that. So I think that we're way behind in regards to that. And I also think that having daycare centers at government buildings is also important, because this idea where I call it the exodus at 2 o'clock, where all the parents rush off to pick up their kids, and a lot of them bring them back to their workplace. And I'm a big family man, but obviously it is disruptive.
Opposition leader Philip J. Pierre, Castries Mayor Peterson Francis, and a representative for the area and the Minister for Infrastructure Stevenson King also were given a tour of the new structure on Friday. Cecil Actil,